Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over the format for the 3XM dissertation. This is more specifically the proposal portion of the 3XM dissertation. And this is all found within the checklist. The checklist document is located within a specific link that you can visit. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, the link is beyond the scope of this talk, but you can kind of take a look at some of the various components of this. So here's the 3 manuscript dissertation checklist, and this is for all quantitative manuscripts. So of course you complete this top portion, and then you go into the front matter, of course, title and abstract. Make note of the fact that the abstract, you actually don't complete everything until the end. So as interesting to note is that everything in yellow is something you complete after the proposal has been defended. So these 4 rows are what you need to work on initially. Then here's the overview. There's the introduction. A lot of the checklist items, they're here. Go in and look at the different components, categories. Make note that positive social change implications are actually already there in the introduction. Go through the background. There's a lot of components embedded within the background. And then you go into the overview of the manuscripts. Now note, all of these things are going in a proposal. Then we go into significance, summary. So as a pointer, a lot of these components are actually located within the prospectus that you've written. Some of you have more thorough prospectuses, and you can start to populate this from that portion. So this is where part 2, the manuscripts actually land in, and part 2 is where you can provide the status of the manuscript at time of final oral conference, and then abstract should reflect journal expectations. And again, you don't write this until the end because you don't have any results for the analysis. All of these method section you should have before you get into the rest of the manuscript. However, when you're looking at the results, and then in the discussion and under that interpretation and limitations, these are all part of the final study. Again, anything in yellow is what you complete after the proposal until you get to the final study. So here are recommendations at the end, references, and manuscript 2 follows suit in the same way, and then results, discussion. So nothing really changes between manuscript 1 and 2. Of course, the content is different because the research questions are different. So let's go through this again. The results, discussion, and references. Now, here is where you're actually summarizing all of your findings. So you integrate all of the studies, and then provide a conclusion, and make sure that this may seem like there's only 2 areas to address, but there's actually multiple components that should be addressed as well. And then of course the key takeaways. So again, there's not too many more components than the regular dissertation, but these can be quite complicated because of the content that there is more of than a regular dissertation. So these are all the components of the 3XM dissertation. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.